What's up guys, it's your boy Imo Kings once again from Ivisualpro. Have you ever shot a video that looked all shaky like this? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to correct your shaky videos to look more like this. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not already done that and hit the like button. Now let's dive right into the tutorial. Okay, so you can fix your shaky video in Premiere Pro with the warp stabilizer effect. Now what this effect does is that it removes jitter caused by camera movement, making it possible to transform shaky handheld footage into steady, smooth shots. But before we dive into this tutorial, there are a few things you need to know about warp stabilizer effect. The first thing you need to know about warp stabilizer is that the frame settings for your clip and the sequence you are working on needs to match for the effect to work. And the second thing you need to know about warp stabilizer is that if you apply any effect to a clip that you have applied warp stabilizer effect on, that new effect will automatically cancel the warp stabilizer effect. So I will suggest that you make warp stabilizer the last effect you apply to your clip. So if you intend to adjust, for example, the speed, the color, or any other aspect of your clip, go ahead and do that first before applying warp stabilizer onto your clip. That being said, let's dive right into the warp stabilizer effect. So the first thing I want to do is to play this clip. So you can notice the camera bouncing. That is because the camera was handheld. We didn't have a gimbal or a tripod to use on it. So now you can go straight to Windows, Effects, and here you can type warp stabilizer. So you can select your clip here and double tap on warp stabilizer, and automatically it starts analyzing in the background. Or you can hold warp stabilizer here and drag it to your clip. Either ways is fine. The good thing about warp stabilizer is that it automatically begins to work on the background. Or you can go get a coffee or whatever you want to do while the effect is being worked on. Now if you come to Effect Controls panel, you will see the time that is remaining. While that is going on, let me take this moment to explain how warp stabilizer works. So what it does basically is that it stabilizes your clip, it crops your clips, and then it auto scales your clip. Alright, so as you can see guys, it has completed the process of stabilizing our clips. So right now I want to play from the beginning to see what the clip looks like now. So you will notice now that the clip is very smooth, and those bouncing that occurred from our camera movement is no longer there. But what it did basically was that it stabilized, it cropped, and it auto scaled our clip. So if you come here for example and then you off warp stabilizer, you'll be able to see the difference in what it did to you will be able to see the difference before and after if I on or off that effect. So you can see that it scaled our clip. If we come here now and we change it to stabilize only, you will notice that if I'm playing the clip is stabilized, but it is not scaled and it is not auto sized. If I should click on stabilize and crop, you will notice that it is cropped, but it is not auto sized to the sequence we are working with. So what it does basically is that it stabilizes, it crops, and then it auto scales to the sequence that we are working with. There are two things you need to look out for while applying the warp stabilizer effect. First of all, you need to look out for the crop. If it has cropped your video too much, you can always come to the settings here and adjust that option. Another thing you want to look at is the level of warp that it has applied to your clip. What do I mean? The warp is the level of smoothness that it has applied. Now that warp can cause some level of distortion. What I mean by distortion is some kind of blurriness on your clip, but I don't have that effect on this clip, so I don't really need to adjust these settings. This video looks very fine to me. But in scenarios where you've seen that you don't like the level in which it has cropped your video, you can come over to the smoothness level and adjust this from 50 to 10%. and then you can scroll down to advanced, click on advanced. You come down to crop less and smooth more and change this from 50 to 25%. This way you will get more of your clip back, and then it will reduce the warp blurriness that is caused by the stabilizer effect. So let's take a look at it now. So we don't have those bouncing again as a result of the camera movement. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that already. Drop your feedbacks on the comment section. I'll be sure to respond to every one of them. Thank you guys.